Welcome to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing another football eats episode. Two very simple recipes that are going to be tasty, I hope. We're making like a ham and cheese croissant roll-up thing, I guess you can call it, and mini baked potatoes. So let's get started on cooking, and I will taste test them for you at the end. The first thing we're gonna do is the mini baked potatoes. You wanna preheat your oven to 375. I don't wanna make all of these potatoes for this recipe, so I'm gonna have them into a couple things. I'm only gonna make a few of these for myself to have. So probably do, I think maybe 4. So for these, we're going to add them to a bowl, and then we're going to take some olive oil and, you know, lightly toss them with some of this. And then pretty easy, we're just going to move them to a cookie sheet so we can bake them. This is a very, very easy thing that we're gonna be making. And then you're just gonna sprinkle these with salt. And then we're gonna bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes. My oven is still preheating, so in the meantime, I'm gonna cut up the rest of these for a meal later on, just not to waste any ingredients. Okay, so for this one, it's really easy. They're like ham and cheese croissant roll-up things. So you just need some croissants, some cheddar cheese. I chose Black Forest ham. And then if you have it, everything but the bagel seasoning and butter, which I have in the microwave melting. But we're basically gonna roll these up into the crescent rolls, butter them, and then sprinkle them with the seasoning, and then we bake them per directions on the crescent rolls, maybe a little longer because of the insides. But let's get these started. So we're gonna pop these in the oven in a few minutes. I just wanna wait for the potatoes to get closer. Maybe not, because we have to prep the potatoes when they come out. These don't, so maybe I will throw them in. But these are gonna go for about 12 minutes and just keep an eye on them. Make sure you don't burn them. When the potatoes come out, we're gonna put some chives on them. Excuse me, so I'm gonna go ahead and dice some of these up so they're ready to go. Now that the potatoes are out, super easy. We're gonna slice them open, put some sour cream and some chives, and that's all. Pretty simple. I'm gonna cut them on here though, just because they're still hot. Might go just because these are probably bigger than they were supposed to be for the actual thing, but I couldn't find any tinier potatoes. And I might actually let these cool just a few more minutes before, but let's grab the croissants while we're waiting. Yeah, I know that one is not pretty, but we're just gonna pretend that one doesn't exist. Now that everything's been cooked, I'm gonna taste test them for you. I'm gonna start with the mini baked potato. I'm gonna eat the unpretty one first, but let's see. So I got a piece of this one, it's not the full one. So simple, but very good. The chives are what does it. It just adds that kick of flavor you need. If you can find the even smaller potatoes, that would be perfect for little bite-sized pickups. Like I said, I couldn't find them, so we worked with just baby potatoes, but mini ones would be really good. And then let's try the ham and cheese croissant. Okay. That's very good. I've made a variation of this a few different times. I honestly think that everything but the bagel seasoning is what takes it to the next level. It adds an extra flavor that isn't there when you just do like a meat and cheese. So that is very good. Very easy, but very good. I would definitely recommend that one. So there you have it, this episode of Football Eats, where we made ham and cheese croissants with everything but the bagel seasoning and mini baked potatoes. As always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.